Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ODYS THANOS 10, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account from this device, so basically how to manage it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the accounts. As you can see right here, we've got our previously added Google account, so we will begin with removing it. What's more, I forgot to say, as you can see here, we've got whole Google section, and of course you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using the accounts. So let me tap on it, and as I said, let's start with removing the account. So let's tap on this one, tap on remove account, and tap on remove account again. Of course, if you will have any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. But after that, the account will also be removed, just like it was here. As you can see, it was basically immediately removed from this list. So now we can add the account. Let's tap on it. Tap on Google. Make sure also that you've got the internet connection, because it is required for this operation, and it doesn't really matter if you will use the Wi-Fi or the mobile data. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me enter it. What's more, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on OK or next, your device will simply autofill it, just like you will be able to see here. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, so let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added the Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your ODYS THANOS 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.